Hello, today we're going to be talking about solutions to systems of equations. And I put on our notes a couple of reminders from Algebra 1. When we had a system of equations, basically it was where two lines cross. That's a system of linear equations. And if we had one solution, it would be exactly where both lines intersected. If there were no solutions, we would have parallel lines that ran next to each other. Remember, parallel lines have exactly the same slope. And then if we had infinite solutions, one line would lay on top of the other, meaning every point on the line would make an equation true. So in order to be a solution, an ordered pair must be located on both lines like you see here. When given in an equation form, the ordered pair must make both equations true. So when we're looking at number 1, here we have, is 2, 5 a solution, or is the ordered pair 2, 5 a solution? The way we solve this is simply to substitute. So we're going to substitute x, we're going to put in 2. And for y, we're going to put in 5. So here I would have 2 plus 3 times 5 equals 17. Now, I know you would think, oh, yes, that's true, but you have to prove it. You have to prove that the left side is the same as the right side. So we do 2 plus 15 equals 17. And then 2 plus 15 is 17, and 17 does equal 17, so that checks out. So if one is true, if the equation is, or the ordered pair is true for one equation, we must test the other one. Because again, the ordered pair has to make both equations true. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 times 5, and we're trying to see, does that equal 19? Well, we have 4 plus 15, does that equal 19? 19 equals 19. That is true. So we would say, yes, 2, 5 is a solution to the system of equations. Let's do number 2. We have, is 1, 9 a solution? So we've got y is equal to x plus 8, and y is equal to 8x plus 1. And so I say this is x, this is y. 9 is equal to 1 plus 8. 9 is equal to 9. So that's true. So we have to test this other equation. 9 is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1. 9 is equal to 8 plus 1. 9 is equal to 9. That is true. So, yes, 1, 9, or the ordered pair 1, 9 is a solution. Number 3 is 1, 3 a solution. So we've got y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. And we're going to, again, substitute our values. This is x and this is y. So we've got 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is true. We test the next point. 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1. 3 is equal to 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. 3 is equal to 3. That is also true. So we say yes to that as well. Number 4 is 1, 1 a solution? So we've got 2x plus 2y equals 4, and 2x plus y equals 3. Again, this is x and this is y. So I substitute 2 times 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1 equals 4. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times 1 is 2 equals 4. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 does equal 4, so that is true. We're testing the second point. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 equals 3. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 equals 3. That is true. So we've seen that a lot of these are true so far. Our next question says, is the ordered pair 1 for a solution? So we have 4 is equal to 1 plus 3. 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4, so that makes a true statement. Next we have 4 is equal to 8 times 1 plus 3. 4 is equal to 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3. 4 is equal to 11. Well, obviously that's not true, so we're going to say this is false. Now here's what you need to remember. If one answer is true and one answer is false, they cannot lie on the same line. So is ordered pair 1 for a solution to the system? No, it isn't. We've got number 6. Our next question says, is ordered pair 8-1 a solution? So we've got 8 plus 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 15. 8 plus 7 times 1 is 7 equal to 15. Is 15 equal to 15? Yes, that's true. Our next one says 11. We're going to multiply that by 8 plus 9 multiplied by 1 equals 2. Well, this is 11 times 8 is 88 plus 9. 9 times 1 is 9 equals 2. 107 equals 2. Well, that's obviously false. So, ordered pair 8-1 is not a solution. Is ordered pair 4-10 a solution to the system? So we've got 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2. 10 is equal to 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2. 10 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. That's true. Then we've got 10 is equal to 4 plus 6. 10 is equal to 10. That's also true. So 410, or ordered pair 410, is a solution to the system. Is ordered pair 1-8 a solution to the system? So we do 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 8 equals 20. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. We're trying to see if that equals 20. Well, 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 it does equal 20, so that's true. And then we've got 1 plus 8 equals 9. Well, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 does equal 9, so that is true. So ordered pair 1-8 is a solution. Is ordered pair -6 for a solution? So we've got 4 is equal to -1/2 of -6 plus 1. So 4, -1/2 of -6, just think, what is half of 6? It is 3. And because this is a negative times a negative, we know that our answer is positive. Plus 1. 4 is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4, so that's true. Then we've got 4 is equal to -6 plus 2. 4 is equal to, well, -6 plus 2 is -4. So that is false. So -6, 4 is not a solution. Is ordered pair 2-9 a solution to the system of equations? And we're just basically doing the same thing over again. We're putting 9 is equal to 2 plus 3. Well, 9 is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. That's false. So when the first answer is false, there's no need to test the second answer because one of the answers is false. So no, ordered pair 2, 9 is not a solution. Is 1, 1 a solution to the system of equations? So we've got x and we've got y. We substitute. So 8 multiplied by 1 plus 12 multiplied by 1. Does that equal 20? Well, 8 times 1 is 8. 12 times 1 is 12. Does that equal 20? 8 plus 12 does equal 20, and 20 equals 20. So that statement is true. Let's test the next one. 1 plus 16 multiplied by 1 equals 17. 1 plus 16 times 1 is 16. Does that equal 17? 17 does in fact equal 17. So that statement is true. So we're going to say yes, ordered pair 1, 1 is a answer. Is ordered pair 7, comma negative 4 a solution? So we're going to substitute 7 for x. Does 7 equal 7? Well, yes, that's true. Then we're going to test the next one. We've got negative 4 equals 1/7 of 7 minus 10. So negative 4, if you think 1/7 of 7 is the same as saying 7 divided by 7. So this would be 1 minus 10. Negative 4 equals, well, 1 minus 10 is negative 9. So that statement is false. So 7, comma negative 4 is not a solution. Is ordered pair negative 2, 9 a solution to the system? So we've got 13 multiplied by negative 2 plus 4 multiplied by 9. Does that equal 16? Well, 13 times negative 2 is negative 26 plus 36, because 4 times 9 is 36. Does that equal 16? Well, negative 26 plus 36 is 10 because we subtract these two numbers and 36 is larger. So I know that when I subtract 36 minus 26, I get 10. 36 is the greater number, so I leave my answer positive. And 10 does not equal 16. That is false. So no, ordered pair negative 2, 9 is not a solution. Is ordered pair 1, 9 a solution to the system? So again, we're just using substitution. 10 times 1 plus 9. Does that equal 19? 10 times 1 is 10 plus 9. Does that equal 19? 19 does equal 19, so that is true. Then we test the other equation. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 9. Does that equal 20? Well, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Does that equal 20? 2 plus 18 is 20, and 20 does equal 20, so that is true. So ordered pair 1, 9 does make the system of equations true. Now, I've showed you how to get to the 80s. You go ahead and make it 100.